Hello guys, good evening. How is your day today? Hope all is well and good health always. Remember, health is wealth. Don't forget to taking care of yourself. Prioritize your health and watch out your diet and have exercise. I just want to share something. Today is Friday night. Tomorrow is my day off. I'm planning to do something productive. I want to use my free time to be productive. I want to do things that can help me achieve my goal early. Then I plan to the I don't want to be stagnant. I want my free time to be productive. Last Saturday, I attend training seminar. Tomorrow, I don't have training seminar, but I'm planning to do something productive tomorrow. It's hot already. I'm lazy to go walking because even if it's only 7:30, the sun is very hot already. It's already summer, the temperature is so hot. But I don't want to stay in the house. I want to do something productive and can use my time to be not wasting time. I can use my time being productive. You know guys, even if I'm only my level is lower, most of all my friends, the people around me, most of them is successful. Most of them is they have their own business, they're successful in their life. You know why I want to be with them. I want to learn the way what they do to achieve their goal to be successful in life. I don't want to be with the people that is they don't know anything because I cannot learn something from them. I want to be with the people that I can learn something in life that I can use in the future, like about business, about how to create something good to help me achieve my goal, like that. That's why most of my friends, the people around me, they are successful because I want to learn from them what they do, what they're doing, how they achieve their goal, how to be successful, how they become successful in life, even though they came from in the poor families. That's why, man, for me, there is no impossible. If you have the goal, you make the way to reach that goal. Whatever happens, you try and try until you succeed. But if you don't have dreams in life, you don't want to be successful. But for me, I don't want to be stagnant forever. I want to be in the, what do you call that? I want to grow old and to retire to have a meaningful and comfortable life when I retire. I don't want to be like other old people that is abandoned with the family because they don't have money anymore, they don't earn anymore. hindi dependent on their family. I don't want to be like that. I want to grow that I can, I can stand on my own. I can provide my own needs with my own, not to depend to others, especially I don't have family. And I cannot depend to my brother and sisters, my niece. Even time they cannot giving me even one day of their life. I cannot even ask favor for them to do something for me. That's all, guys. I'm thinking of something that it benefits me and to help me grow, to help me achieve my goal faster than I set the limit or the time zone. Bye guys, good night. Sleep well and sweet dreams everyone.